Uria wari governor wa Murang'a County Mwangi wa Iria ni arikitie guikio rumande. This after gukoragwo miro ni thitango nene muno. Thitango irakuruhania uici wa mbeca cia county when he was a governor na uhuthiri moru wa office yake, and also conflict of interest amongst many other charges iria cimugumeire. Na this comes 3 days thutha wa Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission gukorwo ikirekereria statement kana notice ati Mwangi wa Iria akora gikinyia mbere ya committee ino kwaga uguo akorwo akinyitwo. And yesterday he appeared before the EACC na niguo arakorirwo akiregana na thitango ici. He pled not guilty na ndagomirwo ni thitango ici wika aca. In addition, his wife too, Jane Waigwe Kimani, also onake no agomirwo ni thitango ici, and also his brother-in-law, the brother to his wife oikaneta Solomon Mutura, and the directors a kambuni citiganite ona no magomirwo ni thitango ici alongside Mwangi wa Iria. Nao makierekana ukorwo mamukirite tenders, public tenders irregularly, whereby an amount worth 562 million Kenya shillings mbeca cia county na mbeca cia thirikari aricio merikanite gukorwo marihirwo, or rather the company which has been linked to them was paid in relation to the tenders awarded to it. Na riu Mwangi wa Iria thutha gukorwo areganite na thitango ici ni arakorirwo akirekererio na board ya 20 million Kenya shillings or an alternative of 10 million Kenya shillings ira tanahota gukorwo akiriha, na koguo he remains in remand at Industrial Area Prison. Na ni undu ukimakitie a Kenya na njira nene muno muso aikari a Murang'a County, and they are hopeful that all the money lost, all the money misappropriated will be recovered. And now on top of these charges, the EACC has now filed a civil suit in the High Court in a bid to try and recover all the public funds lost. Na ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.